So what in the world is going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. And this is Big Zeus. Yep, my 2018 lifted Indoraptor, fully custom. You guys check out my channel page right here for every single video I've done, a lot about the truck itself. Today we're going to tackle one of the simplest first added mods to the F-150. Y'all stick around, you're gonna like this. Now when you get your F-150, one of the first mods should be doing some lighting mods, some bulb changes. All right, now I'm gonna show you something right here. Notice that on my 2018 Raptor, it's got LED lights on the tailgate, LED cab lights for the bed, LED headlights, LED dome lights inside, side marker LEDs. But you come down here to the tag lights. This is crazy. Watch this. All right, I've got one blown out. So you've got LEDs all around the truck, but yet on the tag lights, you've got these terrible little halogen yellow lamps. So I was wanting a real high quality bulb that doesn't blow out a month after you order it. You know, like some of those cheap ones you find at the flea market or Walmart or even over at Menards. Y'all have heard of Menards, right? Yeah, that's when you kick a pirate in the balls. Oh, Menards! So I'm like hanging out doing a bunch of research on LED bulbs and which one to go with. And I'm like, wait a minute, the answer's right in front of me. My buddy Rashid and his channel, Me and Car Keys, you guys know him right here. Yeah, I mean, he has did several videos with Auxito bulbs. Yeah, exactly. So I was like, Rashid, you recommend Auxito? And he's like, heck yeah, man. So he lets me know of a few options that Auxito has. So I think he switched both of his factory housings out for the Auxito LED housing. So it's a complete housing with a ton of LEDs in it. Y'all head on over and check it out. You will absolutely flip out when you see it. That sheds a lot of light on that tag back there. But for me, I wanted to keep the factory housings, so I just opted for the replacement bulbs. So before we can install these, we have to access the factory bulb. All right, so bumpers here. Do not take a screwdriver and try and pry around this because you're going to damage your bumper. This plastic, that's all it is. Take your hand, reach up under here on the sides, not the top and the bottom, but on the sides, you've got two little push-in clips. There it is. Pops right out. You're going to access that bulb by turning counterclockwise. It's going to be just like that. We're going to take one out. It should fit directly in there. Just like that. Take this housing, replace it back just how you took it off. Just like that. Notice the clips on both sides. We're going to push it right back in. I'll go ahead and show you a before and after. So check it out. Old yellow halogen that's barely even visible versus the brand new Auxito pure white LED that is really, I mean, this is daytime and you can see how it's lighting up the plastic right here. You can't even tell this thing's on. So yeah, this is a no-brainer for a first mod for your F-150. All right, so we're gonna reach up under the back of the bumper, just like the other side. Push in both of those clips. Take it out here, counterclockwise. Look how quick it is. I mean, That easy. Discard that. Get our new bulb out of our pack. Careful when you're trying to peel this off. You don't want to damage the bulbs. All right. So I'll show you this real quick. I mean, look at the difference in this. Old halogen bulbs. Getting stuff all over me. Look at that. That's terrible. I mean, how can anybody live with that? Come on, guys. First mod has got to be the LED Auxito tag lights. So let me see which way I got to go up in here. Just like that. Push it all the way in. Turn it clockwise. It's that easy. So that's going to do it for the video today. I appreciate y'all checking out the video. Y'all go over there, check out Rashid, Me and Car Keys. His channel page is awesome. His truck is awesome. I'm just telling y'all. His link's in the description as well as all the parts I used for today's video. Catch y'all in the next one. Later now.